Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to finish implementing our new view. So let's start coding, and the first thing is, as you can see, the see more button, the color is gray 4 and here I went for gray 5. So let's go to our shortcuts view and change this gray 5 with gray 4. Okay, just to have the same color as the complete app. Okay, perfect. Then we will be implementing this one, so it will be a V stack, and inside this V stack we will have an A stack. So here we will have a V stack with an alignment of dot leading, and here we will have a divider. Then we will have an A stack with a spacing of 15, and here let's start. It will be an image, so image with system name, and for the system name let me check, it will be question mark dot circle dot fill. It will be resizable, it will be scale to fill, it will have a frame with width and height of 24. Okay, perfect, and I will give it a foreground style of dot gray. I think it's beautiful, and to the entire A stack let's give it a padding of dot horizontal, and let's also give it a padding of dot vertical of 7. Okay, perfect, I think. Then we got our text, and our text will be help and support. So help and support. Let's also give to the entire A stack a font of dot headline. Perfect, and then we will finish with image system name of chevron dot down, and let's place a spacer, and hopefully it's perfect, it's beautiful, just the way we want it. And as you can see, the same element will be used here and here, so it makes no sense to copy and paste the code. So to our entire V stack, let's refactor, not refactor, extract subview, refactor, rename, and let's call it menu cell. Okay, beautiful. And of course we will have private var title of type string, and the private var image name of type string, and let's make our initializer. Okay, perfect, and now here we will have title here, and this one here we will have the image name. Okay, perfect, I think it's beautiful. Just now once we add the missing argument, we write this one, and for this one it's help and support. Okay, we copy and paste the menu cell 2 more times. Okay, perfect, I think. The second one will be setting and privacy, so the second one will be settings and privacy. Okay, for the image, let me check, it's gear shape dot fill. Okay, perfect, and the last one, it's also from meta, also from meta, and for the image name it will be window dot casement dot closed. Okay, perfect, I think, beautiful. Okay, now after this we will have the logout, and something interesting in our logout button, it's the same as our see more button. So we will create a view modifier so we don't have to implement it twice. So let's go to our shortcuts view. Let's copy this text or these modifiers. Now let's go to our component folder. Let's create a new group. Let's call it view modifiers. Okay, and here let's create a new file, a swiftui view, or let's make it a Swift file. It's not really different, but let's call it custom button modifier. Okay, perfect. Let's import swiftui. Let's create a struct, call it custom button modifier of type view modifier, and here let's call body this one. Let's make content, and then let's copy the modifiers we just took, and for the width let's just add here var width of type cgfloat. Okay, perfect. Let's here create an extension of view. Then we will create a function. I will call it custom button modifier, but with the C being a lowercase. It will take as an argument the width, which is of type cgfloat, and it will return some view. Okay, perfect. And here it will be modifier, and let's give it our modifier custom button modifier with width, which will be the one in the argument, so width. Okay, hopefully everything will be working perfectly. Now if we first let's go to our shortcuts view, and here let's delete all this and replace it with dot custom button modifier, and let's pass the width, and hopefully it will be same as we left it before. Okay, let's wait for it, and perfect, it's just the same. Now let's add a button with an action and label. For the action it will be empty for now, and for the label it will be logout. So let's add text, it will be logout, and just here we just add our modifier, so dot custom button modifier, and let's give him proxy dot size dot width, and let's give it also dot padding, and hopefully we'll have a perfect result. Okay, perfect result, it's beautiful, it's just the way we want it to be. Now as you can see here, when I click on it I got this alert, so let's add this alert. So first thing we need to create add state private var show logout alert of type boolean, and it will be by default equal false. And in our action, so we will have show logout alert dot toggle, and here let's add dot alert, and in our dot alert it will be, let me check the text, log out of your account, so it will be logout of your account. We will add also is presented with dollar show logout alert, and we will also add the content here, which will be, first one will be a button with the text logout, and for the action it will be empty for now. And the second one, which will be a button of cancel, it will have a role of dot cancel, and for now the action is empty. Okay, hopefully now if I click on logout I get this nice alert, and when I click on cancel it disappears. Okay, perfect. I think it's beautiful. It's just what we wanted to achieve in this video. Maybe now we need to take this menu cell and create its own file. So let's create a new file. It will be a SwiftUI view. Let's call it menu cell. And here we go, and we cut this code and paste it here. And we don't really need a preview. Okay, hopefully everything will be working the way it should be. I think perfect. Let's go to our main tab view. I'm not sure if I added yet, not yet. So let's add menu view. And hopefully when I go now, I will have a result that is perfect. Perfect. It's beautiful. I think we did everything that we are expected to do in today's video. In the next video, we will be implementing the video view. So if you loved the content, please like. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.